How to uninstall Microsoft Store in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, right click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. And here click on Windows PowerShell Admin, which will open this page. Here, simply paste what is shown on screen. It is also available in the description at the bottom. You can copy and paste it from here, then press on enter. After you do that, click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen. When you search Microsoft Store, it will be unavailable. In my case, it's not because I have not done it, but if you keep the prompt and then enter it, you will not find Microsoft Store. This is how to uninstall Microsoft Store in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.